Hey guys, this is the unboxing video of Google Glass, so you guys can see what Google Glass comes with. So I have the Google Glass Explorer Edition, and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. This is the box it comes with, and show you what's inside. So first, let's open the thing. Open it very carefully here. Okay. Alright, so this is the box it comes with. On this side we have the shades which clip onto the glass. So these are the shades that come with glass. Sunglasses, I guess. I don't think Google Glass currently supports prescription glasses, but they have sunglass attachments, which is good. And this is the actual box itself. It says glass on it. Looks very minimalistic and not bad looking. Let's see what's inside. Alright. Okay. Whoops. Okay. So this is the Google Glass itself. Yeah, as you can see, it looks a little bit like a prescription glass with a mini video camera attached to the side, which is pretty cool looking and futuristic looking. And then on the actual box itself we have some instructions. The first step says turn on the device by pressing the power button. Okay. Second, adjust nose bridge. Third, position the display to see the whole screen. Okay. So only 3 steps. Sounds pretty simple. This is the Google Glass itself. Alright, this is what it looks like from the side, from the front, the other side, and like that. 360-degree view. Right, Google Glass. And then on the box actually has some notes, some areas. This one, I guess they have some features here. Listen, on, off, touch, capture, see. Okay. So those are the functions of the Google Glass. Okay, and there's something underneath here. Alright, so here we have a carrying pouch. Carrying pouch says, this pouch has been crafted using Japanese microfiber. Okay, cool. Cool, and this is a pouch. Inside the pouch, which is pretty sturdy, pretty good pouch, we have okay, an earbud, a mono earbud here. Looks like it can be used for calling and maybe listening to music. Yeah, that appears to be a pretty cool packaging here. You have large, small, medium, that you can adjust the length of this loop, I guess, to fit in your ear. It's pretty cool. And then of course we have the charger, and this is a USB cable to attach to your computer, and the charger. And in here, I guess this would be the manual or warranty or whatever. So in here I guess we have we have a pair of nose pads, which is cool. And then we have the manual, I guess. Yeah, that's the manual. So yeah, that's it. That's all the package comes with. So inside the Google Glass Explorer Edition package you get manual, some nose pads, the USB, a charger, mono earbuds, carrying pouch, and the glass itself, as well as a pair of shades. And that's it. Alright, this is my first unboxing video. But I hope this shows everyone a little bit of what the Explorer Edition comes with, which this device, by the way, retails for $1,500. So the packaging seems to be pretty nice. But yeah, that's what Google Glass comes with. And then I'll do a review on Google Glass coming up. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, today I'm gonna review the Google Glass. A lot of people are curious about how Google Glass works and what exactly it does and what you can do with it. So I'm gonna give you a little bit of a demonstration in how it works. So right now I have the Explorer Edition. This is a Google Glass Explorer Edition. Right now you can buy it from Google for $1,500 if you have an invite. And right now mostly developers have invites. So it's not very easy to get, although you can find some on eBay right now. I'm not going to go over what it comes with right now because I already did that in the unboxing video. If you haven't watched it, you should watch it down here. And you can get a good overview of what it comes with. But yeah, this is Google Glass. And although Google Glass doesn't support prescription glasses right now, my glasses are reasonably small enough so that I can fit this onto my nose. I don't suggest people who have prescription glasses get this because it won't fit on most people's glasses. Mine just happens to be small enough, right? Okay, so this is what it looks like. It looks kind of cool, kind of high-techy, and it's very distinctive. And the way you turn it on is this. Here's the on button on the side here. Press it, and Google Glass turns on. There's also an option to automatically turn this on when you put it on like this, and Google Glass will detect that. So, take a while, get this fitted. Okay, so generally it rests right above your right eye, right? And the way you actually activate it is by tapping this touch-sensitive part here. So if you want Google Glass to actually navigate and everything, you have to touch this part here. But to actually show you what it looks like, I can't show you obviously because I'm the only one who can see it. But I'm going to use my Android tablet, my WikiPad, which is hooked up to my mobile monitor right now. I'm going to show you guys how it works. So you have to download this application called MyGlass from the Google Store. Let me show you this a bit closer. Okay, MyGlass. So I'm going to click this one, and this one is going to give you an overview of what glass devices I have connected. So right now I can see my device info, and I can see devices. So right now it has to scan. Okay guys, so we're finally connected to my Google Glass. So now I'm going to screencast to show you exactly what I'm seeing on my Google Glass right now. So now whatever you're seeing on that screen is what I'm seeing on my Google Glass. So how this works is Google Glass has a timeline for swiping through your notifications and your recent activities. So right now I can view news, I can view my emails from here just by swiping like this. Forward swipe, backward swipe. So right now Google Glassware has about 30 apps, and that's probably going to grow in the coming months. The reason that Google seeded these out to developers is so that they can make more apps for it. But right now you have basic apps for like CNN, Facebook, Twitter. So if I wanted to view these apps, I can just go to my timeline, and from there you just click on the app, just tapping on my touch strip here, and then you can have some options here, like I can play this one. So this is a video on CNN about Ryan Seacrest that I got from the CNN app. So that's cool, I can play that directly from my timeline. And to cancel it out, I just have to swipe down to go back. Okay, so the main screen is actually this screen. From this screen, you just say, "Okay, Glass." Now you have a bunch of options what you want to do. And so now I want to Google Nelson Mandela. Okay, so it picks that up. Now it does a Google search. Okay, so now it gives me a bunch of results for Nelson Mandela. Now I can go through them just by swiping. And I can view the website. This actually comes with a web browser, believe it or not. So here's some like results from Wikipedia and from different news sites. So I can choose to view the website. And yeah, it's interesting because you can actually view websites using Google Glass. It's not the best, but it is there. There's a basic web browser here. So I can actually scroll through this new site. The site seems optimized for mobile, which is good. But yeah, I'm not sure what browser, maybe similar to Chrome or something that this is using, but it's pretty cool that you're even able to view websites on this. So yeah, that's a Google search. And now I'm going to show you a different functionality. OK Glass, take a picture. Okay, so it takes a picture, shows it to you for a few seconds, and then stores it on the storage drive. Google Glass comes with about 12 gigabytes of usable storage, and if you want more, you'll probably have to store it in a cloud backup somewhere. But yeah, you can transfer it via USB to your computer later. The same goes for video. If you want to record a video, say OK Glass, record a video. And this by default records 10 seconds of video. So you can see my head moving around my room. Okay, and that's 10 seconds. And now you can choose to play it. You can choose to share it to your friends via Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus by default. And I'm just going to delete that for now. Okay, so let's try another option. OK Glass, get directions to Union Square, San Francisco. Okay, now it looks up Google Maps, gets directions. Great, so my GPS isn't working that well, but when it does, Google will actually give you the navigation steps, and there will actually be a voice saying those aloud. OK Glass, show route overview. Okay, so yeah, connects to the Google Maps API, and you can see some directions to where you want to go, which is really useful. Okay, OK Glass, stop directions. Okay, cool. Now let's try something else. OK Glass, listen to Justin Timberlake. Okay, now it syncs up to my Google Play library, pulls up Justin Timberlake. Now I can choose to listen to his songs. Okay, let's play Suit and Tie. So yeah, you can play any of your Google Play libraries right now, which is pretty cool. Let me stop this for a minute, pause. Okay, go back to my main screen. OK Glass. But let's see. Take a note. Pick up my parents on Monday morning at 10 a.m. at SFO. Okay, so this basically takes a note and saves it in my Evernote. So this is one of those apps you can connect to your Google Glass. Pretty nifty. Let's see what other options I can do. OK Glass. Send a message to. Pulls up my list of Google contacts. Chris Brelsky. Hey Chris, I'm on my Google Glass right now and I'm doing a review, and I'm going to send you this text message. Great. So I'm actually sending that in an email. Sends it to my Google contact, which is pretty cool. Pulls it up in my timeline so I can actually read it. And I'm sure my friend won't mind. Okay, Glass, translate this. Yeah, I don't have any Spanish or Italian or Latin languages in my room right now, but you get the gist of this. Basically, it works as well as this app would work on your iPhone or Android device. Okay. Yeah, and that's it. I hope that Google Glass will be able to come up with a lot more apps in the future, and I think they will. It is a really cool device for the purposes of being able to do things like send email, read notifications, record pictures and video, those kind of things. I think this is a really nifty device to do. And right now, I guess this is not too different from what you would see on a smartwatch right now, but in the future, hopefully they can add some augmented reality capabilities to it. So yeah, right now I highly recommend waiting until next year, until the actual consumer versions come out. That way you can get the finalized version with the proper ergonomics and the finalized design, and also when all the apps are out and available. But for now, this is mainly for developers. It's still very much in the planning, prototyping stage where they're just sending these betas out to developers and getting them to make some apps for it. But at $1,500, it's a little bit much to pay for a device that's essentially a smartwatch, a cooler looking smartwatch. But you get my point. Yeah, I think right now I'm really hopeful for the future. I think that Google can make a lot more devices like these, and developers can make a lot more apps for them. Some other things I want to talk about: the actual Google Glass design. So this is the on button here. There's actually a button here for taking camera pictures, stills, and videos. So that's cool that they have a dedicated button right there. They don't support prescription lenses yet. In the future they will, but right now they don't. And right now I'm only able to put them on my glasses because my glasses are a little bit small, but it's not really comfortable. And in the future they'll probably make additional nose pads too for people with wider noses. So that's another thing they can work on. And right now this comes with 16 gigabytes of storage space, 12 gigabytes of which is usable. In the future they should integrate some cloud storage service into this. People want to take a lot of pictures or video, so there's that limitation there. Right now if you want to connect to LTE, you can't. You had to do it through your phone. This only comes with Wi-Fi, so if you want to be able to actually use this without Wi-Fi, you have to tether it to your phone via Bluetooth and then use your phone's service. So that's something that they could improve on. And another thing is that this only works for Android devices right now. Hopefully Google will make an iPhone or iPad device, but right now this is only for Android. But if you have an Android device, you have to download the My Glass app to be able to use it. And if you don't have an Android device, you're out of luck right now. So, hopefully Google will address those concerns in the future. And yeah, the other thing is this battery life is only 3.5 hours, right? Which is not a lot for a device that's meant to be portable. So that's another thing they can improve. But overall, I think it's better to wait for this device to come out next year, and also see what the competitors are coming out with next year before deciding to buy one right now. And right now you can only get one via an invite anyway. So that's my review. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.